Hello there, my name is Colette Adams of A Wrinkle in Tech blog, and this is a screencast for librarians specifically, showing how to catalog Nook devices using the Destiny Library Manager system. I am using Buffy Hamilton's example to build a MARC record and also add copies. So to start, if you're starting from scratch, you can go to Catalog, and then go to the Add Title tab. From here you can do a search. If and or when it doesn't show up, you can also go to Add the Title. Now I searched books, so of course that was my mistake. I should have been searching for equipment. So as we search here, there's the record that I've created. If you're building your own, you go to Add the Title. So looking at this record I built, you can feel free to use this record. I uploaded it to the blog, and it already has 6 copies of the Nook already in it. So you can change the barcode numbers or do whatever you need to there. Feel free to use it as is or tweak it for whatever you need to for your library. So for here, we'll look at the MARC. Actually, let's just go to Edit Title and see. I used just Nooks Simple Touch Reader as the title, and then put the color of the covers in the subtitle. Under Edition, I put Wi-Fi version. That was a holdover from the MARC record I used. The material type is equipment, author, Barnes & Noble, and I did put a date in. When we upload records to our district and statewide system, they like to have a year. The extent is just one e-reader, and I put in that it includes the cover and a carrying bag. And also there's a power adapter and USB cable, but those are not circulated. Under Series and Notes, I left blank, but I did put the model number in. Also, that was in the record that I pulled from somewhere else. And under Subjects, I added Nook and electronic books as subjects. I can add some later, but I think those would be the most appropriate. And finally, under Resources, I added links to the online user guide and the Quick Start guide. This is more for my use than students, just so if I have a question, I know a very easy way to get to it. And I can save myself a Google search. So, back to this, you can click Save. Alright, and you can see I already have 1 copy that I've put in. And so we'll just add 1 more to show you how to do that. I'm recycling barcodes instead of using a different range. If you print out a weeding log, it will give you a list of all the barcodes of books you've weeded, and you can just reuse them, which I've found to be very useful. So we'll do AV Nook number 1, purchase price $170. That includes the cover and the cases I bought. And I have a new circulation type, especially for Nooks and AV materials. And then for sublocation, I'm using CircDesk, and I'm noting that they were funded by the Spring Ridge HSA. Later, once we actually get the physical Nooks, I'll be adding the serial number in the description. And so if I save that, there it is. Then the great thing is you can duplicate, change the call number to number 2, type in a new barcode number, and hit save, and keep doing that until you have all 6. Then I would simply, for more than 6 Nooks, I would duplicate this record, change blue to green or red or whatever other color I'm using, and start over again with AV Nook 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, new MARC record 13, 14, 15, etc., etc. So that's basically how I'm doing it in my library. I hope this helps you with setting up your Nook program, and good luck.